Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Let's the video. First of all, create a duplicate layer, Ctrl+J. After, go to filter and choose convert to smart object. Then OK. Again, go to filter, open Liquify, Shift plus Ctrl+X. Zoom in, Ctrl+. And select the face tool. Click to face aware Liquify. You can change the feature according to your eyes, nose, mouth, face shape. Moving slider adjustment. You can also change the features according to the slider. Select the arrow and moving position. Show you check before and after. I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel. Like, share, comments, don't forget press the bell icon.